Assalamu alaikum to everyone who's watching this video lecture. This is Vakar from Cambridge International Science College at Talagang. Welcome to all the students in classroom training video lecture. I hope you would be fine and you would have prepared all the lecture which are delivered by me, Arsad Mumtaz. Dear student, as you know that we have already studied, we have already talked about a modal verb which is known as the name of could. In previous lecture, which was delivered on this topic, we were talking about only on active voice. That particular lecture was regarding active voice. But right now I am going to teach you the next topic which is also related to could, but it is known as the form of passive voice. I am going to teach you today about passive voice, that how the passive voice of the could is made. What is the theme, what is the sense of passive voice when we make a passive voice from could? जब हम could से कोई passive voice बनाते हैं तो उसका sense क्या है, उसकी theme क्या है? So dear student, be attentive. You must have practiced all the exercises which have been taught by me, and you have to follow all the instructions. You will have to follow all the instructions which were given by me, Arsad Mumtaz, because it is part and parcel. If you put yourself undergone the practice session, then you would be able to do something. Then you must be able to do something. Dear student, use of could passive voice. As you know that there are two conditions which are very important regarding passive voice. Condition number 1, no subject in a sentence. It means that there is no subject, any subject is not present in a sentence. And dear student, remember, when there is no subject in a sentence, it means that particular sentence is related to passive voice. It is the first condition. How you can check a sentence whether it is passive voice or active voice. And the second condition is that, which is also very important, subject is not located at its place. But it means that when we talk about active voice, whether we talk about Urdu language or English language, subject always leads on front. हम उर्दू में लिखें या इंग्लिश में लिखें, it is the psyche of subject, it is the sense of subject in active voice, that all the time, whether we are talking about Urdu or English language, subject always leads on front. And when the subject is not leading on front, it means that sentence is also example. That sentence is also example of an example of passive voice. जब किसी जुमले के अंदर subject is not leading on front, subject front पे lead नहीं कर रहा, that sentence is also related with passive voice. Dear student, I have already told you these two conditions in my previous lecture which were regarding passive voice. Right now I am going to teach you passive voice regarding could. These are two main conditions. If these two conditions are fulfilled, the sentence will be called passive voice. If these two conditions are not fulfilled by, the sentence will not called the passive voice. Dear student, here I am going to make an equation regarding passive voice. First of all, it's common, this thing is common in every sentence of passive voice, object plus third form of verb, compulsory, compulsory. These two things are compulsory regarding every passive voice. Whether you are going to construct a passive voice sentence in present indefinite, past indefinite, can, could, might, may, would, has, have, had, to, whatever the topic is which is regarding passive voice, these two things are very important and these two things are called compulsory thing, यानी ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. ये जो सेंटर के स्ट्रक्चर है, ये सेंटेंस बाय सेंटेंस क्या होते हैं, यानी द सेंटर स्ट्रक्चर विल बी चेंज, will be varied from one sentence to other sentence. Here we are going to use could plus be. Now you can differentiate that in the passive of can we also used be, and in the passive of should we have also used be, and in this same case we have also used be. Could plus be. This is the equation. This is the equation, an equation of passive voice regarding could. ये could के हिसाब से क्या है equation. Dear student, मेरा गला थोड़ा ख़राब है, so you will have to cooperate, you will have to bear my voice which is coming in this tone. Right now I am going to make a sentence from Urdu to English. खत लिखा जा सकता था. When सकता था आ गया, it means that there is a talk of power, there is the concern of ability, that how a person was showing his ability to do something in past, कि पास्ट के अंदर कोई बंदा कैसे अपनी एबिलिटी को जाहिर कर रहा था. तो यहाँ पे देखिए काम क्या हो रहा है, लिखा. हु इज खत, कौन है लिखने वाला, कोई भी नहीं है. किस चीज़ को लिखा जा रहा है, खत को, तो लेटर. इट मीन्स देयर इज नो subject in this sentence. This sentence belong to first condition. ये वाला पहली कंडीशन से ताल्लुक़ रखता है, because there is no subject in this particular sentence. Now I am going to make this sentence. First of all, we will have to put object khat, letter. After that we are going to use could be, letter, could be. And third form of verb, लिखा की फर्स्ट फॉर्म क्या है, राइट, सेकंड रोट एंड थर्ड रिटन. लेटर कुड बी. And dear student, a very important thing which I am going to narrate you, which is very important for you, that this sentence, which is passive voice sentence, cannot be formulated, cannot be converted into active voice. इसको हम एक्टिव वॉइस नहीं बना सकते. वाई? क्योंकि एक्टिव वॉइस का शर्त जो है वो है SVO सीक्वेंस, सब्जेक्ट, वर्ब एंड ऑब्जेक्ट. इट मीन्स व्हेन यू वांट टू मेक a sentence from active to passive or passive to active, there are some conditions, there are some compulsions. Number one, when you want to construct a sentence from passive to active, then there is a compulsion, there is a compulsion of active voice, and that compulsion is subject. कि सब्जेक्ट मस्ट होना चाहिए, क्योंकि क्या है, एक्टिव वॉइस के अंदर SVO होता है. तो जब किसी जुमले के अंदर when there is no subject in this sentence, how can you convert this sentence, how can you change the voice from passive to active? You cannot change because there is no subject. तो ये जुमला कभी भी इसकी वॉइस चेंज नहीं हो सकती, यानी ये कभी भी पैसिव से एक्टिव नहीं बन सकता। डियर स्टूडेंट, नेक्स्ट मैच, मैं खेल सकता था। काम कौन सा हो रहा है? खेलना। कौन है खेलने वाला? मैं। किस चीज़ को? मैच को। नाउ दिस सेंटेंस इज रिलेटेड टू सेकंड कंडीशन। नो डाउट देयर इज a subject in this sentence, but subject is not located at its place, अपनी जगह पर नहीं है बल्कि ऑब्जेक्ट के बाद आ रहा है। और ये जब भी ऐसा सिलसिला आएगा, ऐसा मामला आएगा, तो वो सेंटेंस भी किसका होगा? पैसिव वॉइस। नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू मेक, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू आर गोइंग टू पुट ऑब्जेक्ट मैच could be, I take it from equation, match could be played by me, objective case. This sentence can be converted into active voice because subject मौजूद है। इस सेंटेंस को हम एक्टिव वॉइस में बना सकते हैं। आई एम गोइंग टू मेक एक्टिव वॉइस, सब्जेक्ट वर्ब। एक्टिव वॉइस में हमें क्या चाहिए? सब्जेक्ट। सब्जेक्ट यहाँ पे क्या था? मैं, और इधर क्या लिखा हुआ है? तो ये ऑब्जेक्टिव केस है, तो यहाँ पे क्या आ गया? सब्जेक्टिव केस आई। साथ में क्या आ गया? कुड। बी खत्म हो गया क्योंकि एक्टिव वॉइस में जस्ट कुड होता है। आई कुड। अब चाहिए वर्ब, तो वर्ब क्या? ये प्ले, खेलना। अब हम यहाँ पे थर्ड फॉर्म नहीं लगाएंगे बल्कि जस्ट फर्स्ट फॉर्म लगाएंगे। आई कुड प्ले। अब क्या आया? ऑब्जेक्ट। सब्जेक्ट भी आ गया, वर्ब भी आ गया। अब क्या चाहिए? ऑब्जेक्ट। आई कुड प्ले। अब क्या आ जाएगा? अ मैच। अब देखें, दिस सेंटेंस हैज़ बीन कन्वर्टेड बाय मी फ्रॉम एक्टिव टू पैसिव, from passive to active. In this sentence we have changed the voice. This is the main thing. इसको हम चेंज नहीं कर सकते, इसको हम कर सकते हैं। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, का स्क्रीनशॉट ले लें, मैं दोबारा आपको मजीद पढ़ाता हूँ। Dear student, I hope you must have taken the screenshot. Right now I am going to erase it. Dear student, now we are moving towards negative sentences regarding passive voice of could. इसको नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस के अंदर as that we mean negative sentences. Could plus not plus be. Just put the term not between could and be, then it is completed. Match, I'm going to take the previous sentence. Match could not be, match could not be played by me. Next, letter could not, could plus not, could not be written. There is no new change. There is no new change in these two sentences. Only we put the term not after could. There is same object. There is also same third form of verb. There is same object and there is also third form of verb. Now I'm moving towards interrogative. Now you must have to pay heed to the pronunciation of the words, that what is the right pronunciation of the word. Interrogative sentences. Here you are going to use could plus object plus be, because in passive voice object always leads on front, and this is the condition of passive voice. When there is no object in a sentence, that particular sentence cannot be converted into passive voice. अगर कोई एक्टिव का जुमला लिखा है और उसके अंदर ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है तो आप नहीं बना सकते, उसको कन्वर्ट नहीं कर सकते एक्टिव से पैसिव। जैसे पैसिव का जुमला है, अब देखिए शर्त देखिए, सब्जेक्ट ज़रूरी है एक्टिव वॉइस के लिए और ऑब्जेक्ट ज़रूरी है पैसिव वॉइस के लिए। जब जुमले में ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है, जुमला एक्टिव से, यानी you would not be able to convert the sentence from active to passive. And when there is no subject in a sentence of passive voice, like this example, you cannot convert the voice, you cannot change the voice of a sentence from passive to active. Dear student, remember active voice की शर्त क्या है? SVO सब्जेक्ट का होना ज़रूरी है, और पैसिव वॉइस की क्या शर्त है? ऑब्जेक्ट का होना ज़रूरी है। नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू चेंज could a letter be written? It's looking little bit awkward, but don't think about it. Native speaker have already told us that you must make these sentences in this form. Second, could a match be played by me? Question mark. Dear student, your topic has been completed right now by me. So pay heed and attention to your work. Makes the notes which are very important for you and for your future. If you want to learn more and more effectively, then you would have to prepare notes. You would have to prepare all the lecture according to the level of lecture. Dear student, उम्मीद करता हूँ आप घर वालों को तंग नहीं करेंगे, उनका ख्याल रखेंगे, क्योंकि लॉकडाउन है तो कोई ऐसी हरकत ना करे जिसकी वजह से घर वालों को परेशानी का सामना करना पड़े। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा, अपने घर वालों का ख्याल रखिएगा। शुक्रिया।